That's why most the whole week nafunga nywele nyuma.
Eh.
So kuna hiyo tension.
Hi guys, so today is on Thursday. I don't know when this vlog will end, but hopefully tomorrow on Saturday, okay? Or Saturday. So I'm just from work. I've changed and I want to but before I eat, I do the laundry. I want to show you something. A package. So I came with this journal from my auntie's place. It looks like this. It's a breakfast maker. I already unboxed it. Just like I usually don't put things. I think I give it to you. And just want to show you for the case of unboxing that I did it so that you can see what's inside. So this is you see. So let me see. Well, but when I opened it, it's super small. That's how it looks. It comes with a coffee maker. But it's a 1 liter coffee maker. So, yeah, you put the coffee here. But with this one, itabidi uchemshe maji. Like you have to draw the water before you cook you make the coffee, which is kind of tiresome. And hapa ni kwa fry eggs and grilling. So fry according to this picture. So it says you can fry eggs, sausage, bacon. That's this part. Then you can bake bread, chicken, chips, then cook meat, tea, coffee, making. Okay. So the funny thing is this side, okay? Hapa ndo kilichekesha. I thought maybe kitu angaloita pakubwa. See, this is the plate. I can put chips here, potatoes and everything. I can bake. Yes, that I was thinking of baking. I love baking. I wanted to start baking queen cakes, but how am I supposed to bake queen cake? Probably but it's super small. See. So this is the size. So that's all. I'll sit and try it on. If I put it here down, I can use this space for something, right? So that's it. I'll show you when I start using it. But hopefully I'll start using because I want to see how especially the grilling and the baking part when it up. Hi guys, so I'm from work already. It's now 1:30 in short. It's 1:25, so it's 1:30. So jana nilifua hapa nitaweza nguo kama I see if I can put them, but I don't feel like it. I'm so tired. And I'm supposed to do my nails. I'm supposed to shoot TikTok and IG content. Yeah. So bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Yeah, so see you in my next video. Bye.